who needs life insurance. Life insurance is something every adult should seriously consider. We can't predict the future, and we have to plan for the unexpected before it happens. We can't afford to wait until tragedy occurs before deciding how to respond, and life insurance is one instrument you can use to ensure future peace of mind. That doesn't mean that life insurance is a necessity for everyone. Just don't dismiss it because you think I'm too young or I'm healthy. To decide if you need life insurance, you should carefully evaluate your current and future financial circumstances and obligations. Luckily, you don't have to do this alone. Life insurance agents can guide you through this process, helping you to make the best assessment of what financial obligations would you want to be taken care of after your death. This can include settling any outstanding debts, but also ensuring that your financial dependents are provided for if you are no longer there to support them with your income. A timeline for each of these obligations. For example, most people expect to pay off a mortgage long before their death. How much money would be required to cover these financial obligations? You'll need to figure out exactly what level of life insurance coverage you may need, as well as how much you'll want your policy to cover. You can then move on and request a quote to find out what your life insurance premium rates could look like, depending on the duration of the policy. To give you a general idea, you should contemplate purchasing life insurance if you answer yes to any of the following questions. Do you have an outstanding mortgage on a home? Do you have financial dependents? This could include your spouse or domestic partner, children, or other family members or acquaintances who rely on you for financial support. Do you have any other debts which could be passed on to your estate after your death? Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.